As a mom, you've cheered them on through every milestone. Now, the SAT stands between them and their dream college. But what if, with just 1 week of focused preparation, you could ensure their name shines on that acceptance letter? Spotlight SAT Express is your secret weapon against time and uncertainty, designed to propel your child toward their brightest future without the worry of being left behind. In this 7-day crash course, I provide the structure, content, and data-driven practices that will give your child the most leverage in the least amount of time. For the math section, I'll provide your child with 9 of my 23 Spotlight SAT graphing calculator programs, all of which are permitted on the test. These are my 9 most useful programs for the geometry and trigonometry section of the new digital SAT. In addition to providing them with thorough, clear instruction on the 6 themes within the geometry and trigonometry section, I also show how and when to effectively use these 9 graphing calculator programs. For example, you can quickly find the missing leg of a right triangle with Pythag, the arc length with my program Arc, the area of a sector with the program Sector, convert from a radian measure to its degree equivalent with radians, and find the exact distance between 2 points with distance. When utilized correctly, these programs enable students to simultaneously avoid costly errors and save time that can be reallocated to more challenging questions that demand all of their mental energy. For the reading and writing section, I provide detailed, engaging instruction on all 8 of the Standards of English Convention themes. These are all the grammar-related questions that not only make up 40% of the reading and writing section, but are also the questions I found students tend to struggle with the most. Through my 14-page Triple T document, Tom's Testing Tips, that I provide in the course, I'll teach your child how to quickly recognize which theme the question is testing them on, as well as how to systematically approach the question to target the correct answer. To ensure your child masters every aspect of these 8 critical themes, I provide them access to my Quizlet flashcards. Here's the 7-day structure of the crash course. To make sure your child achieves mastery after receiving my instruction, I've provided 2 practice assignments, one for the math section and one for the reading and writing section. You'll find that these practices exactly mirror the Blue Book platform that students will use when taking the new digital SAT. After they complete the assignment, not only will they be able to see the answer explanations for the questions they got wrong, as well as detailed data regarding which particular themes they still need to practice, but they'll also be able to see my worked out solution videos for every single math practice question, so they know exactly how I'd approach the question, including when and how I'd utilize the key graphing calculator programs I've provided them. Let's do this.